Investing in stocks or real estate. We will compare the most important investment reasons like liquidity, leverage, diversification, control, tax, management, tangibility, and much more in this video. Stay tuned. Hi, I am Henrik from Value Investing, and today we will discuss about the most important aspects of investing and if those aspects are advantages or disadvantages for investing in stocks or real estate. Also, please subscribe to this channel to receive our weekly videos if you want to expand your financial skills. Okay, let's start. Both investing in real estate and stocks can be a good, successful investment journey for building your wealth. There are many successful investors in the world that invest only in stocks or only in real estate, and very often in both. It is about getting educated and invest wisely, otherwise both investment markets can be very dangerous. In both markets you can win a lot or lose a lot. None of them is safer than the other one if you don't have enough education. So from those two, the better market is the market where you understand more than the other one. As an investor in both markets, I think I can bring in enough value in this video. That's it. Let's compare the financial instruments. The liquidity. Real estate is definitely hard to sell when you want to get out of it, and it can take a few months and in some cases a few years. Instead, the stocks are highly liquid and you can get out of it within a few seconds with just one click if you don't manage Warren Buffett type of portfolio. So it's clear. Liquidity is disadvantage for investing in real estate and is an advantage for investing in stocks. Next is the leverage. In real estate you can borrow money of about 70-80% and in some cases even 100% of the price. So this is a great advantage to use debt against the collateral. And in stock market you can use marginal investments, which is highly risky and you can't use that high percentage of it. So in many cases, to be safe, investors use up to 20% of their portfolio. So this is definitely a disadvantage for investing in stocks compared to real estate. Next one is the hard work to be done for investment analysis or finding the deals. To invest successfully in real estate, you must do too many phone calls, visit many places and meet many people to find a good deal. As the number one real estate investor, Robert Kiyosaki suggests to go over 100 properties to filter and find the one you need. This is an enormous work, but that doesn't mean that for investing in stocks you don't have to do your due diligence. But instead, I mean that mostly you should be sitting at your desk, do your calculations, doing your researches, or reading a lot, which is way easier work than investing in real estate, especially when the real estate is not a small one. So surely this is a disadvantage for investing in real estate and a real advantage for investing in stocks. Next one is the work after investing, the management of your investments. Again, this is not an easy thing for investing in real estate, because if you don't have a property manager who costs you money, you constantly need to find tenants, set them up and fix some problems in that property. On the other hand, if you are investing in stocks, you basically have nothing to do except following the news and reading the financial reports to make sure that your company is on the same path you were expecting. So this is again a big disadvantage for investing in real estate and a big advantage for investing in stocks. The next topic is portability. The number one real estate investor, Robert Kiyosaki, teaches not to invest in real estate which is far from the place you live, especially when you are new to this market. And imagine a case that you do, for example, 5 deals in that area and later you need to move from there. Of course, you can set up a property manager and move from the place you live, but that will expand your expenses. Anyway, portability is a real disadvantage for real estate and a good advantage for investing in stocks. For example, in my case, I think I will not be living there where I live now in 10 years, and I will need only my mobile phone with me to manage my investments in stocks. Let's move to the next topic, which is taxation. This is a very good tool for real estate investors as they use depreciation as expense to pay near to zero taxes. This is a phenomenal advantage for investing in real estate and a disadvantage for investing in stocks. Of course, it depends on the tax law of your country, but most countries tax the income from stocks and you have no way or a few ways to skip it. The next topic is volatility. The real estate market has way less volatility compared to stock market. And this is a great advantage for those investors who want to invest once and collect cash flow for too many years, and for those who don't like the idea that their asset value can drop 20% within a month or rise 30% within a month. But this for sure not a disadvantage for investing in stocks. It can be a disadvantage for those who invest in stocks without a protection or bet that stock market should always rise in price. But many good investors, especially value investors, take advantage from this market volatility and they buy the stocks they love with lower prices when the market fluctuates. So this can be an advantage or disadvantage for investing in stocks depending on your education level. The next topic is the opportunity to invest small. In real estate, you definitely need to collect some investment capital before you can jump in, which is definitely a disadvantage for investing in real estate. On the other hand, you can invest even $1 in the stock market. So this also gives an opportunity to benefit from compounding also, because it can take much time for you to collect enough to invest in the next property. So in short, you kill time which could be profitable. So this is a disadvantage for investing in real estate and an advantage for investing in stocks. The next thing is the tangibility. You really can touch the real estate you invest in and you even can live there. This is definitely an advantage over investing in stocks, especially for older people who wants to touch and feel their investments. For me, it's not a disadvantage for investing in stocks because I really don't care if I can touch my investments or not, but there are many people who care. So let's consider it as a disadvantage for investing in stocks. The next topic is control over your investments. Many real estate investors say that it is an advantage over investing in stocks, as you can't control the price of your stock, but you can control your real estate. You can paint it, fix it, upgrade it, and expand it. Okay, but I don't fully agree with it. Yes, you can have some control, but that doesn't mean you can have full control over your investment. You can't control your real estate price when a recession like 2008 happens, or a war has started in your country, or the area you invested in started to lose interests. So, as you can't control your stock prices, but instead you can get out of your stocks within seconds, and you can't easily get out of your real estate. And also you can position yourself in the stock market in the right way, that you don't really take much risk even if the worst happens. So I would put this as a complicated decision if this is an advantage or disadvantage for investing in real estate or in stocks. So I put a dash there and skip it. You better judge it yourself. And the final topic is emotional decisions. I met a lot of people telling that this is an advantage for investing in real estate over stocks, because you easily can make emotional decisions when investing in stocks and you can lose money. I would say that emotional decisions are for average investors, whether you are investing in real estate or in stock market. As Robert Kiyosaki says, the number one solution for this is just not be an average investor. So if you don't know what are you doing, you can lose money regardless where you invest. So if you can buy stocks within a few seconds, that doesn't mean that you should do it if you consider yourself a good investor, regardless if the buying process takes 3 seconds or 3 months. So again, I don't put this as a disadvantage or advantage for investing in stocks or real estate. I again put a dash here and skip it. So those were the most important topics I wanted to bring in on comparing which is better to invest in real estate or stocks. For me, the biggest advantage for investing in real estate is the leverage. But as the mortgage loans have high interest rates in our country, I can't easily use the leverage correctly. That is why I'm mostly invested in stocks and have less percentage of my invested capital in real estate, and that is for diversification between asset types only. I hope you could take enough educational value from this video. Now I mostly want to know your thoughts about those comparisons, and if you have an addition to this, please let us know. Leave your comments below and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video so that you don't miss it. And if you could take any value from this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.